Well, it was harvest time. It's cold weather now. It's the end of November. I had to bring in the rest of my parsley. So I've got it hung up here to dry. Hung upside down. It'll dry and then I'll put it in a plastic shaker bottle and use it for the winter. There's a lot of it here. Well, it's Sunday, November 24th. My lemon balm died on me. Well, kind of died. I cut it all down to see how it goes. But there's no drainage underneath this. There's nothing to drain it in. I had it over here, so I couldn't water it very heavily, and it actually dried out on me. So now I put it where I can water it heavily, and we'll see how it comes back. November 24th, it looks like that. And this is indoors, too, by the way. This mint's not doing so hot either. You know what I think I'm going to do? Because this is dried out too. Same thing, I couldn't water it. Now I can. I put a plate under it. I can water it heavily. So I'm going to cut this down too. Trim it down to nothing, November 24th, and we'll see how it comes back. And these peppers are definitely growing. This is all new since I brought them in. They've actually got a flower right here. Since I brought. Well, the parsley's dry, so I'm bottling it up. That's all I had for curly. It's my curly parsley all done, except there's a couple pieces in here I missed. So far I got this much from that, and then I still got that to go. Yeah, this is grown John Kohler style. I learned from him, copied him. The Mel method for the 3 mixes. And I use the Azos root dip, mycorrhiza, earthworm castings, organic compost, of course. And I think that's it. But I had to move all my dirt this year. So I did pretty good for getting a late start. I'm going to fill this jar with regular parsley by the time I finish with this. And I still got that to go there. This is how you do it. You just squeeze it. And of course, I'd be doing it easier when I'm holding the camera, but. Here you go. Whoa, one in, one out. She's coming flying in, or something's out there. So when you do that, once you get all the heavy stems out, then you fine tune it. Take these little stems like this out. I got so far. Put it in the bottle. Jar. Enjoy it all winter long.